Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorial for the mail merge using your Google Docs, Google Sheet, and your Google account. So the first thing that you're going to do is you need to launch your Google Docs from your Google account and as well as your Google Sheets from the Google App Store. So to start with, we're going to name this Google Doc as the template. Dito natin ilalagay yung inyong template on how your label will appear kapag nandun na tayo sa printing mode. Okay? So, para may add natin yung label add-on or i-install natin yung label feature ng Google Docs, you need to click the add-ons button here. Then, get add-ons. And then, search for Avery label merge. Okay. Click the first one, the print Avery label. And then, click install. That will give permission for the add-ons to run on your browser. You just click on your account to give permission for that extension. Okay, click done. Then close this window. Okay, so that's it. So to run that Avery label, you need to click add-ons again. Then click Avery label and then click start. Yeah. May lalabas na Avery label merge sa right side ng screen ninyo and the instruction on how are you going to do. But disregard this instruction. Just follow kung ano yung gagawin ni Ma'am Charm. Okay? In this field, this label template box is the size of your label. If you merge content exceed this height, your labels will not line up or hindi sila magsusunod-sunod according dun sa gusto ninyo. Okay? So, this is by default ng Google Docs, but we can erase that and define kung paano natin gusto makita yung ating label. Okay? So, given dito sa aking merging template na address list, I have here the first name, the last name, the address list, the zip code, and the contact number. Ito yung mga details na ilalagay natin sa ating label. Okay? So, ito yung pinagawa ko sa inyo sa activity number 1. And then, let's go back here. So, gusto natin na makita is yung last name muna. And then, click add to insert that field. Okay, then follow the last name is the first name. Click the first name from this field. Then click add. Okay. So, after that, gusto ko sa ilalim, nandoon yung aking address. Okay, click on the address and then click add. Okay. And then, after the address, pwede nyo din ilagay na after the address or under the address is the zip code. Then, click add. Kayong bahala kung saan nyo siya gustong ilagay. Then, under the zip code is the contact number. There. Okay? Alright. Okay? So, para makita natin at para ma-merge na natin yung mga information na to, papunta dun sa ating document. Actually, pwede nyo siyang lakihan. Stretch nyo lang siya. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang lakihan. Okay? Pwede nyo din i-bold yung last name and first name. Highlight nyo lang siya. Then, On your keyboard, press Control B for bold. Okay? Alright. So, next is, select natin. So, from yung select spreadsheet, kanina na-select na natin yan from the merging template. So, ito na siya. Ito na siya. Naset na siya, natin siya kanina. So, dyan yung kukuhanin yung mga information na nilagay natin dito sa ating box, sa label template box. Okay? So, after that, we can now click the merge button para ilagay na yung information na nilagay natin doon sa ating final printing. Okay? So, it says here that you have 9 labels to merge. Do you want to continue? Just click yes. Yan. Nagsisimula na yung merging natin. Okay? So, as you can see, successfully merged 9 labels. Here is the merge document. Just click on that link. Okay? And automatically, it will open a new document. Okay? There you go. This is the label that we created using the information that we have from the merging template. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo, para siyang nakaayos as name, first, last name, then first name, and then the address, the zip code, and the contact number. Okay? So, ang mail merge or ang label generation ay pwede natin gamitin sa pagle-label ng mga letters, ng mga balikbayan boxes, if you have a lot of balikbayan boxes, or anything that gusto nyong gamitan ng mga labels. Pwede rin stickers, your name, okay, pwede nyo gamitin siya. Okay, so that's it for today. So thank you, and if you have any question, just feel free to chat your teacher. That's it for this video, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or clarification, please leave a comment down below, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, and as well as click the bell notification icon so that you are updated when our next video comes out. Thank you for watching!